My favorite game, badminton. I play other games too, but my favorite game is badminton. I play badminton with my brother every day. Badminton is a common sport played by the racket and a shuttlecock. It has single and doubles, two different forms to play the game. It is an outdoor game, but lots of people play in their rooftop too. Each player hits a shuttlecock across the net and tries to score points. There is a certain limit to score. Who scores faster, he wins. This game is really good for fitness. Badminton makes us fit and active. I love to play badminton very much and I want to play it for my country. Please like and subscribe.